In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with DocuSign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or looking for a way to streamline your document management, DocuSign is a powerful tool that can help you manage your documents effortlessly and securely. Let's walk through the steps to get you started on the right foot. To begin, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, locate the Login button. You can usually find it at the top right corner of the homepage. But don't worry, we won't be logging in just yet if you don't have an account. Instead, we're going to get you set up with a brand new account, and it's incredibly straightforward. After clicking Login, you'll notice an option to sign up for free. Click on that, and you're on your way to starting a free trial. This is a great chance for you to explore all the features DocuSign has to offer without any commitment. Once you click on Sign Up for Free, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's important to use an email that you check regularly because we're going to need it very soon for verification purposes. After you've entered your email, click on Get Started. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of creating your account. Next, it's time to verify your email address. You'll receive an email from DocuSign shortly after clicking Get Started. Go ahead and check your email inbox for a message from them. If it's not there, remember to check your spam or junk folders just in case it landed there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it up and follow the instructions provided to verify your email address. This step confirms that you're the rightful owner of the email and activates your DocuSign account. After successfully verifying your email, you are officially ready to begin using DocuSign. As a new user, you'll receive a free trial for 30 days. This trial period is an excellent opportunity for you to explore the document signatures, agreements, and other features that DocuSign provides. Use this time to familiarize yourself with the platform, test out its capabilities, and see how it fits your workflow. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your DocuSign account and are now ready to start creating, sending, and managing documents with ease. Remember, with your free trial, you have the flexibility to try out all of DocuSign's features, so make sure to explore as much as you can. Keep in mind that after your trial period, you will need to select a plan that suits your needs if you wish to continue using the service. So, take full advantage of this trial period to see how DocuSign can benefit you. Thank you for joining me today and happy documenting. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.